been really fortunate enough to review a wide range of AOC monitors. However, in today's video, I'll be unboxing their latest monitor as well as all of these accessories from AOC. This whole bundle is under £300, which is truly incredible. No need to panic though, I will leave timestamps for different sections of my video, as well as links to all of the items shown in this video. Let's start with your monitor. This is AOC's 27-inch gaming monitor. It is from their G2 series of monitors and the model number is Q27G2E. A quick run through of its key points as you see along the bottom, which include adaptive sync technology, 155Hz refresh rate, VA wide viewing angle, 1 millisecond response time, quad HD display, HDMI connection, and plus some more. But again, not to worry, we'll go through this in greater detail in my full review. So moving to what you get in the box, first of all is your EU plug. So you have an EU option. Next up for me, I am going to be using the UK 3-pin plug. There's no power brick needed with this monitor. It plugs directly into the back of the monitor. Next up is your display port. So if you want to use a display port connection, you have that option available. Or you could choose a HDMI connection. There's 2 HDMI ports on this monitor, which is really handy for my Xbox and PlayStation or my Mac when I need to do some work. Then you have your column. So this is your column. It's made of a plastic design with cable management in the middle and also has the red accents that we normally see, and it locks on. So there's no locking nut. You just push down and it clips in. And then the back plate you'd slide into the back of the monitor. Then you have your stand. So quite a wide stand there, plastic design with red accents. And then finally, you do have your manual. So you have a quick start guide, there's warranty information and instructions on how to use your monitor and how to get it out the box correctly so you don't damage yourself. So please take some time to look at that. And also you've got your energy rating here. Now let's move on to the accessories. First up is the AOC GH200 gaming headset. Here in the UK the prices do vary, but I found it for £32.99. As promised, the link will be in the video description. Some brief details before we get it unboxed is a serious gaming audio, comfortable headphones, lightweight durable headset, durable microphone that you can adjust, custom tuned 50mm drivers, superior sound clarity and punchy bass, which I can't wait to test out. So just unboxing our headset here, you've got a couple of bits inside, so I just wanted to talk about those. So the packaging is a little bit tricky to get into, but it does finally come out. Inside you'll find a quick start manual guide to help you with any connections or any issues you may be suffering when using your headset. Hopefully not. Simple plug and play, which is great and it works throughout. So I've used it with my monitor. I've also used it with my Xbox and PlayStation. But I just want to share this cable provided is 3.5mm connection that offers a mic and audio split. So if your monitor or your graphics card can allow that, you can choose to have that option. Moving on to the headset, I want to talk about this now. So obviously I've unboxed this already and used it and it is really good, and I want to say it is comfortable design. So you've got AOC there, and as I show, it's manipulative and you can move it around. It looks really nice. It's quite a stylish design. You have movement in the headrest as well, so you can change the size depending on how big your head is or how small your head is. And you've got AOC, and then it indicates the left and right inside there, just on the arm, just above the ear cup. So it's like a full ear cup design, and it surrounds you with sound and audio. A fully adjustable mic as well. Really easy to use, simple, sound quality has been really good. I've tried it on Teams calls and also tried it with gaming chat. And along your braided cable you'll come to your connection, so this is where it shows your mic buttons and also a volume roller. And that comes then to your 3.5mm jack that you can plug in either to your monitor, or you can plug directly into your controllers for your PlayStation or your Xbox. Or as I mentioned, you can plug into this connection which divides the sound of the audio and the mic feed, so you can choose to have different ones if you wish. All again, all braided, really nice to see. Up next is the AOC's wired gaming mouse. This is the GM530. Prices here in the UK is £11.09 to £23, so make sure to shop around. Again, link is in the video description. It's a wired mouse, Windows 7 or above, Mac OS, USB-A port connection, and the AOC G menu requirements, so you can use the G menu requirements if you so wish. It weighs 100 grams or 0.22 pounds. The cable length is 1.8 meters. It has a PixArt PM W3389 gaming sensor, true 16,000 DPI, scale switches with 80 million click lifespan, Light FX Sync RGB, a matte UV coating for comfort and grip. So in the box you are going to find your wired mouse and also some paperwork. So let's just get it out. So actually grabbing hold of your mouse, it does feel nice to the touch. Many different textured feels to this on the left, the right and along the center. So in the middle there's two buttons. You've got your scroll wheel. You've also got two buttons to your thumb on the right hand side there. You've got grip textured curved design as well. It feels nice in the hand and especially moving around. Fast movement as well, really nice compared to my Magic Trackpad. Again, a braided cable, which is really nice to see, and that comes down to a USB-A connection, again, that you can either connect into your PC, my Mac here, or even into your Xbox or PlayStation if you want to use it. Again, the manuals and information provide details on how to use your product, set it up in the correct way. However, if you do have any questions or queries, please make sure to leave a comment below and I will get back to you and answer as soon as I can. Next up is AOC's gaming keyboard, which is GK200. Prices here in the UK is from $31.99 and that's Amazon UK. So it's an RGB light FX keyboard, which looks absolutely great. I've used it now for several days before creating this video. Really enjoyable. It's a large keyboard. Movement of keys is really nice. Gives a real good positive feedback when pressing the keys. Weighs 108 grams and wrist support as well, which is great, and that's magnetic, which is a real great design to see here. Along the top you see the profile design of your keyboard, and it is a nice design profile that fits subtly on your desk. I've found it enjoyable. It is larger than say my Mac Mini keyboard that I use for my Mac Mini, but let's get it unboxed. So popping the lid, it shows your keyboard as well as some instruction booklets. So you do have your instruction booklet, which is full of helpful information and will help if needed. And there's also other warranty information there. Then we have the keyboard itself. So just take off the packaging. Really nice keys, as I mentioned, really nice to the touch. Feels great in hand. And there's just your connection cable that's fed in and also your wrist rest. So here is your keyboard out of the box, and as you can see you've got the wrist rest there, but taking a look at the keyboard a little bit closer, really nice design, a full keyboard layout as well. When I plugged it first into my Mac, it did ask which keyboard it was and asked me to press a couple of buttons. Looking at the back, you've got some little stands there to help it raise up if you want it in a raised position. And again, you've got a braided cable that you can connect in with a USB-A connection. So again, into one of your consoles maybe, or into your Mac or your PC, depending what you're going to use it for. So as I mentioned, you do get a wrist rest here. A little bit of a textured design to this to help with cooling and breathing, I would have thought, and then some little rest pads underneath. So this is magnetic and magnetically connects to your keyboard. And then lastly we have the AOC's gaming mats, which is MM300M. This costs from $6.99 to $11.99 and the link will be in the video description. So this is their medium size one. It's an anti-slip rubber mat and offers 2 years warranty. So just getting this unboxed, I think this would be one of the quicker unboxings of today. All that you're going to find in here is your mouse mat or your desk mat, whatever you want to use it for. There are different size options available. Again, if you check out the link in the video description, it's got a nice design here, shadow design, where it's darker around the center, and then if you shift towards the bottom right, you've got this light pattern coming in with AOC branding in white along the bottom right corner. So it will smooth out over time, so just put some weight down. It does have a rubberized backing to it, which means it's anti-slip and you can't really push anything against it. However, as soon as you put a mouse on it though, it performs really well. The movement has been fantastic. And here it is, here's the final setup. We have got the AOC monitor looking absolutely crystal clear and great and can't wait to use, especially with my Xbox or my PlayStation. We've got the gaming headset already connected into the 3.5mm jack on the monitor. Looks nice, sounds absolutely fantastic. I've used it for a while now. You've got your keyboard there ready to use and you've got the RGB lighting and it looks even better in the night. So make sure to stay around to see a night shot just coming up very soon. You have your mouse mat with your AOC wide. Mouse glides across there as smooth as butter. Really enjoyable to use, and I'm very thankful for AOC for allowing me to have all of these accessories as well as the monitor. Well, that is a lot to take in. I know that's quite a lot of information there, a lot of unboxing. However, as I've mentioned, I will be creating a full review of AOC monitor as well as all the accessories in this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't and ring that notification bell to stay updated once I release new videos. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.